Thank you very much, Secretary Gonzales, National Security Advisor and convener of this series of Local Peace and Security Assemblies. Atong mga hosts diri sa assembly, si Governor Yebes, si Congresswoman Carion, si Mayor Carion, o si Congressman Haloshos. Ato mga leaders sa laing-laing mga probinsya o highly urbanized cities sa Zamboanga Peninsula. Gikan sa South, si Governor Auxeriles, kauban si Congressman Cerilles, o ayaw kalinti na kauban sab nato ang first speaker from Mindanao, Speaker Boy Nograles. Gikan sab sa South, si Congressman Vic Yu. O gikan sa Zamboanga Sibugay, si Congressman Bill Macabilao. And desde la ciudad highly urbanized de Zamboanga City, Mayor Celso Lobregat. Mayors, vice mayors, board members from the different cities and municipalities of Region 11, Region 9, other officials of the national government, other participants, especially those coming from the religious, academic, NGOs, farmers, and fisherfolk representatives, kaninyong tanan, mayo udto og buenos dias. Daghan salamat, muchas gracias sa mga resolution. Dunay gyud mga espesyal nga problema dinhi sa Region 9 nga lain sa mga uban. Tungod kay ang Zamboanga Peninsula usa ka melting pot sa lain-laing ethnic communities gikan sa Luzon, Visayas ug Mindanao ug mga lumad sab. And I'd like to recall that my own family reflects this particular quality or characteristic of Zamboanga Peninsula. My grandfather, Juan Macaraeg, was an Ilocano from Binalonan, Pangasinan. And in the 1920s, he came to Zamboanga Peninsula to work for Santa Clara Lumber. So he's one of those who contributed to the ethnic richness and diversity of this peninsula. He was already married though, so to my lola who is Pangasinan from San Carlos. And when they came, my lolo and my lola, they brought not only my mother, their only child, but they also brought my grandfather's cousins, my lola's siblings. A whole clan came over, and I think that's very typical of those who came over to that new frontier in the 1920s. My mother was in primary school, and my grandfather, from my mother's stories, of course, working for Santa Clara Lumber, didn't spend most of his time in the big city of Zamboanga. He spent it in the hinterlands of Zamboanga Peninsula, then only one province, and my mother had many recollections of my grandfather being in Margosatubig. And that's why I was so happy when Congressman Cerilles brought me then as a senator to that town of Margosatubig. Now, Governor Cerilles tells me it's one of the oldest towns, the oldest town in Zamboanga del Sur, in what has become Zamboanga del Sur. So my grandfather left my mother in Zamboanga City in the care of the Lorenzo family, Celso's grandfather and grandmother. And that's how my mother became a very fluent speaker of Spanish, aside from Chabacano. So my grandfather, being the head of that whole clan that came over, was very patriarchal. One of his cousins, a Gico, because my grandfather was Gico Macaraeg, was a bachelor, and my grandfather decided he would choose the bride for his cousin. And he chose a member of the prominent family in Manukan, the Sagario clan, to be the bride of his cousin. And that's why the Gicos of Manukan, my cousins, have been my supporters here since I first ran in 1992. And being a nobody then, I still had an overwhelming victory here in Zamboanga del Norte because I have such a big clan here. Thank you for that. Today, in fact, I invited them to come to have lunch with me. 40 of them are outside waiting to have lunch together with us. So, that's one characteristic diri sa Zamboanga Peninsula, ang mahimog melting pot. And I guess you're the first chief of staff from Mindanao, General Llano, from Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte, must also be one of the examples, one of the fruits of that melting pot. Dako sab, dili lang diferensya sa ethnicity, dako sab og diferensya ang kita sa mga lumulupyo dinhi. Like my mother, when she was living with the Lorenzo family, was interacting with the old elite, not only the Lorenzos, but the Aranetas, etc., etc., the Alanos. But on the other hand, dinhi naman sa Zamboanga del Norte, kauban ang siyan. Ang labig kabus nga lunsod sa tibuok nasod. Siya yan gyud. Oo. Sa tibuok nasod.